So today we're gonna pretend like we are wiring a kitchen, and this is how the panel gonna look like. We will have the power source from utility company come in to the switch. This is gonna be your main. Then it will have a 15 amp circuit go to the light, which is this wire, that white cable in here. It's 14.2. Go to the switch, then go back to the light. So this switch will control the light. Then over here we have two 20 amp dedicated circuits. Go to the switch with a D2 switch. Then D2 switch gonna come down to two receptacles. They are GFCI. So imagine you have one go to the garbage disposal, one go to the dishwasher. So plug in and turn on the main. Turn on the GFCI circuit and the light circuit. So lights come on, which is good. Off. On. Okay. Now let's test the GFCI. On. Let it test. That's it. Reset. Reset. And test the top one. It's good. Reset. Alright, let's test this one. Turn the switch on. Oh, I have to reset. Oh, forgot that. Reset. On. Test. Trip. Reset. Test. Trip. Thank you. Good job. Thank you, Mr. David.